Mabuhay! Cultural performance. 안녕하세요. Yan, so now we're going to theater. We're going to watch 공연, cultural performances. And maybe I can and also the other teachers. And yung teacher namin today is kasama dun sa mga magpe-perform. Then I don't know if I can take video, pero I will try. So see you next. Got our ticket now for the cultural performance later. Yay! Diyan kami manonood later ng performance, cultural performances. Kumusta naman ate? Mabuhay! Pwede. Ikaw pa nag-picture. Hi!
비상 상황에는 직원들의 안내에 따라 공연장 1층과 2층 좌우 출입구를 통해
A few moments later.
Kaya pa.
네, 저희가 좀 구경 좀 먼저 하고. 먼저 구경하고. 우와, 선생님 너무 예뻐요. 야, 메이크업하고 헤어하고도 잘 보세요. 메이크업하고 헤어 잘 보세요. 너무 예뻐. 이렇게.
So we just finished watching the cultural performance and it was so good and super galing talaga nila. Si Fatima. Say hi!
We're vlogging again, the vloggers.
And it's time for dinner. So we're going to the cafeteria na. Yes! Kain tayo na!